Welcome to JD's Prep. So for the next few questions, we're going to be using this graph here that's been given in your test. I have pulled out this graph from the reference tables. This is going to be the reference that we are using for this question and using to answer these next following few questions. So our first question is, what is a possible surface temperature of this star at point 2? So this is point 2 right here. What we're going to look for is the approximate luminosity. Okay, and then we're going to use this table from our reference tables as a guide. So over here, if that's the similar luminosity, we're looking at some of these stars in here and a possible surface temperature. So given the options that we have, our answer of number 3 makes the most sense, 7,000 Kelvin. Next question asks about nuclear fusion, essentially. The context is that between points 1 and 3, the star is visible to observers because it emits light energy. The energy is released by the process of nuclear fusion. So we're being asked, essentially, what is the process of nuclear fusion? We are fusing lighter elements together and creating heavier elements. Our correct answer is 3. And lastly, we're going to use, again, these two graphs to identify the stars or how they're classified at 3 and 4. So first of all, 3, we're going to head over to this graph on the right, and using the values and the numbers that we know, we can place it in around here, just above 1,000 luminosity. So that's going to be classified as a giant. Eliminate those two right off the bat. And for 4, you can see that it's going to be down in here, and it's a white dwarf. Our correct answer is 1. Thank you for using JD's Prep.